Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new here, bienvenido. My name is Brenda and I am going to be doing this makeup look for you guys today. This makeup look is really simple. It's my simple bitch makeup. So if you want to go ahead and see how I got this look, then keep on watching. So I'm going to start off by priming my face. And for primer, I'm going to be using the Porefessional from Benefit, and just gonna apply this all over my face. This is gonna help your makeup stay for a long time. And as you can see by the title of this video, I'm currently getting ready to go out with my tias and stuff, because yes, a bitch does go out with her tias. And my sister-in-law, we go out to eat like every other week or so. So I'm not feeling that well today. So I'm trying to like suck it up and not be a party pooper and actually try to go and have a good time with them. For this look, I'm gonna go into my Born This Way foundation. And my shade is Golden Beige, if you were wondering. This is a really badass foundation, by the way. And with a damp beauty blender, just gonna do, I usually do 3 pumps because I have freckles, so I like my foundation a little more full coverage. And just start pouncing this on my face. I literally have like maybe 20 minutes to get ready. So let's hope this goes well. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Shape Tape, and this is a concealer. Mine is in the shade light neutral. This is what it looks like, and I'm actually gonna just put some on my lids, and I'm gonna kind of highlight under my eyes just a bit. Well, not a bit, I do a lot. I'm just blending out this concealer real quick, just pouncing it. My beauty blender is a little damp, just because I feel like if you do a dry beauty blender, like your shit doesn't blend out right. Like, I don't even remember how I used to blend my makeup whenever these things didn't exist. Like, girl, I have no idea what I did. Probably just prayed to the makeup gods that my makeup came out looking good or some shit. I don't know. A lot of people find it weird that I hang out with my tias. Like, that's my family, you know. I like the chisme. I'm Latina, well, I'm Mexican or whatever. But a lot of people are always like, oh, hey, like, what are you up to? You know, you want to hang out? Like, my friends and stuff. And I'm like, oh, I actually had plans already with my tias, and we're gonna go out to eat and just kind of like hang out and have a girls' time. I actually like hanging out with them. They're pretty fun, really outgoing. And yeah, so that's what I'm gonna be doing today. Okay, and now I'm gonna set my face. I'm gonna use the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I finally got the big ass one because I've always had the little one. I actually still have some, but this one's the brightening powder. And I feel like sometimes that shit gives you a lot of flashback and your face be looking white AF, bitch. Like, no, I ain't trying to look all dead and shit. When I set my concealer, I like to set first my eyelids before anything else. So I'm just gonna grab a little brush and go into that powder and just kind of press on my eyelid, just like that, bitch. And then the other eye. I'm gonna be using my Urban Decay Beached Bronzer. My Urban Decay Beached Brown. Bitch, I can't talk. My Urban Decay Beached Bronzer. Okay, and this one is in the shade Bronze. I believe there's only 2 of these, so I'm just gonna go in with a little brush, carving out my cheekbones. I feel like I have to do this now because I've gotten a little chunky. And I can't really tell where them bitches are, so. Okay, and my hairline. Put some on there. I have a giant ass forehead and like the weirdest widow's peak. Thanks, Mom. You're probably not watching this, but thanks. Little on my jawline, just so I can get a little snatched, you know what I'm saying? Because girl, I'm starting to get a big ass papada. Me estoy poniendo bien puerca. I really need to stop. Now I'm gonna grab an angled brush and I'm gonna go back into my bronzer. And I'm just gonna kind of diffuse this out. Cause bitch, this shit is pigmented as fuck. Now I'm gonna go back into my baking powder. Why do I call it baking powder? That sounds weird. To my translucent setting powder or whatever. And I'm just gonna kind of clean up where I put my bronzer. And I'm also gonna go ahead and start dusting off whatever powder is left on my face. So ya que me miro bien empanizada, cause Lord girl, if you saw this face up close, ooh bitch. What I'm going to go ahead and do is kind of snatch up my nose a little bit, if you will, because my nose is kind of wide and you know, I don't like that shit. So I'm just gonna do a little bit of contour. And I like to clean it up a bit with more translucent powder. I know, bitch. I know I use a lot of fucking powder, but it's okay. It literally looks like a little pito. Like seriously, like I have a pito nose. If you don't know what pito means, then you might want to Google it because I'm not saying that in my channel. Just kidding. I'm gonna go in with my NYX liquid liner and I'm gonna wing or attempt to do a nice wing. And now I'm gonna say my prayers to the makeup gods and pray that this comes out even, because bitch, I always get complimented on my eyeliner, but it is a fucking challenge, okay? Okay. So now let me try to attempt the same thing on this other eye real quick. Sometimes I like low-key think that when I'm viejita, I'm gonna like have like, what's it called? Parkinson? el Parkinson. I hope that's not the case though, because bitch, cuando esté viejita también me quiero pintar and I want to look cute, you know? Like, ¿cómo me voy a pintar sin, like, no me sirve ni la mano? Okay, so now that I'm done with my eyeliner, I'm gonna go in with mascara, and I'm using the Maybelline Colossal Express. And this is my go-to mascara. It's in every video I have, literally. And for lashes, I'm gonna be using some wispies from Ardell. Pretty cute. And my glue, the one I use is the Duo. This shit is bomb. It like sticks really well to the eyes. I'm actually gonna do my eyelashes off camera because a bitch ain't comfortable doing her lashes on camera yet for you guys. So bear with me, I'll be right back. Okay, so now that I'm back with my lashes on, y'all see how like lashes just make the biggest fucking difference? And I used to like not ever wear eyelashes, but I feel like it's a must now. Jumping into lips, I'm gonna be going in with my lip pencil from NYX, and this one's in the shade Nutmeg. I'm gonna do a lip gloss, so I'm gonna go in with Barely There from Dose of Colors times iluvsarahii. Y'all, like, y'all need to get on this fucking lipstick or gloss because it's bomb. It's so beautiful. Now I am going to set my face using my Urban Decay setting spray. This literally makes like the biggest difference in makeup. And now my favorite part, highlight. So for highlight today, I'm gonna be using Bathe from Dose of Colors and iluvsarahii collection. I'm just gonna go right in there. Oh my god, this is so gorgeous. And I am gonna apply it on the high points of my face. Bitch, oh my gosh. You see that? Oh honey. Para que no digan las tías que me fui toda fodonga. You know how tías be, like, llegas a la fiesta o llegas al lugar donde vas a ir a comer con ellas y te dicen que porque no te arreglaste. Like, ellas llegan todas arregladas and shit, you know? So I'm trying to be like my tías. And well, this is the completed look. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Ya estoy lista para irme a comer con mis tías. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. And goodbye. I don't really know what to say in videos like this, but thank you guys so much for watching, and I will be seeing you on my next video. Bye. Literally, like, I feel so empanizada right now, and empanizada.
Aquí con las tías bien pedas.
Mejor a la otra nos vamos a que nos maquille Brenda.
Es un video, Para
Ah,
que no
yo no, perdón. Ya, Brenda, ya.
Apenas llevan una cerveza.
Yo quiero salir en la cámara.
Nosotros no estamos acostumbradas a la fama. Quítanos la cámara de encima. Apenas llevan una cerveza y ya están.
Rita, ay, aquí las traigo.
Pinche pucho y cachete.
Dice Betty que
Ya hablan inglés. Ya hablan inglés.
Para la mesa 5.
Yeah, they speak English now.